Hey loves, welcome back to another video. Of course, it's your girl Moya, and today we are packing some orders. So pack orders with me. Let's go ahead and get this positive quote box going. Let's read a positive quote. Keep shining your light. Don't let up that light, baby. Keep that light shining all the way through. Don't let nobody stop that light from shining. Nobody. So today we're just going to pack a few orders that I have on my website. Everyone's home, so if you guys hear any sound at all, my boyfriend's here, my daughter's here, everybody's here. I just want you guys to know that that's probably where the sound is coming from. So let's get the order started. First order is from Eon, and Eon ordered the 2K Saving Challenge binder, the Rainbow binder, and the Low Income Saving Challenge book. So we're gonna use this white box for Eon. But how you guys been though? Like, I've started to, you know, post daily again on my channel. I'm really excited about that. I feel like the posting every 2 days, every 3 days or so, it made me feel less current on my YouTube. Being that, you know, like, I don't know, for some reason I felt like I wasn't really there. Let me get back into my regular postings because that's what we like. We like to post regular. And I honestly just felt like the day-to-day posting just wasn't for me. I like it better when I post daily. So I'm back again with the daily videos because that's how I like it to be. Then, I mean, are you ready for Christmas? I mean, am I ready for Christmas? To be honest, I don't even know if I'm ready for Christmas. I am just winging it, to be honest. Did you guys like these? I don't think I got to show you guys these little cute thank you cards that I made to put in my packages. They are so cute. I'm so obsessed. And y'all know what we do. You know what we do. Y'all know your girl have to put stickers inside of the packages, because why not? So we have the thank you card, the stickers, Eon's order, and that's it. So now we're just going to see if we can neatly close this package up. I normally have my You've Got Mail stickers, but I ran out and I didn't get a chance to make any. But if I had it, I would normally put like You've Got Mail on here. But I ran out, y'all. Sometimes it's so hard to like pack orders and talk at the same time. So I'm running out of packaging tape. The one I had, the little white one I had before, I've completely ran out. So we're gonna have to buy more of that. To be honest though, my favorite part is packing the orders. I love to pack orders. It's like my favorite thing to do. I used to work at Abercrombie and Fitch doing stock, and we used to be in the back packing all the orders for shipping. We used to just be in the back packing the orders for shipping and all that stuff. So packing my own orders is so good, y'all. Like, it feels great. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Next order we have Denise, and Denise ordered the Roll the Dice savings. Thank you, Denise, for the support. So Denise ordered Roll the Dice. We're going to wrap Roll the Dice nicely in tissue paper. It's so fun operating a small business. Even though it can be challenging at times, it's more fun than challenging. Let me just say that. Like, I enjoy it. I enjoy running my small business. Now, I've seen a lot of people ask whether to use Etsy or Shopify, and my thing is this. When I was using Etsy, I'm not gonna bash Etsy because I still have a store. I started there, didn't take long there, but I was there first. But my thing with Etsy was, I feel like their labels were more expensive than Shopify. Shopify shipping labels discount, I feel like it's cheaper. Along with that, I felt like I could customize my shop a little bit more with Shopify. That's why I changed from Etsy to Shopify. What I'm saying is, I feel like I don't have a lot of choices when it comes to customization on Etsy, and that was the reason why I changed from Etsy to Shopify. Let me say those are the two reasons why. I'm not new to Shopify because I had a Shopify shop back then. So Shopify isn't new to me. Like, I've used Shopify before. I've had people ask which one is better, and in my opinion, I feel like Shopify is better, to be honest. So the next order is from Crystal, and Crystal ordered the Michael Jackson Saving Challenge bundle. Thank you for your order, Crystal. If you want to start a budgeting shop and you want to start selling budgeting supplies, girl, do it. What's the holdback? What is holding you back? And why is it holding you back? Girl, do it, girl. Get everything ready and start your store. What's the worst that could happen? What's the worst that could happen? It's not as easy for everyone to start something. I get that. But my thing is, you only have one life to live. Just one. Just one. You don't have no more. Just one. Don't limit yourself, girl. Girl, don't limit yourself. Get it done. Start your little store. Whatever it is that you're selling. If you have any doubts, oh, no one's gonna buy my stuff, etc., etc. Girl, please. Throw doubt out the window. If you're gonna live your life on doubt, it's just better you don't even bother to live it. As long as you have a printer at home, you can start your budgeting store. It's all about designing your stuff. I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I use to start my budget store. Next order is from Quanisha. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, girl, but I know this person came from TikTok because she did message me. Quanisha, girl, thank you so much for your order. And Quanisha ordered the mini low-income scratch-off box, the roll the dice, the Michael Jackson bundle, and she did the 5-time scratch-off saving, the 2-time scratch off saving, the scratch and save, and the Juneteenth challenge. Thank you so much, my girl. It is so hard for me to pack orders, and let's see if this is gonna close good. Whenever I'm packing orders, I be so focused. I be so focused, like so focused and quiet. Like, okay, girl, you can ride and whistle. Next up, we have an order coming in from Kelly, and all these orders, I realized that these are new customers. This is them placing their first order with me. Wow, thank you guys so much. I probably should do one of those map things. You know, the map of America, and then like shade the areas in which I've received orders from. I think I should do that. I see people do it all the time. I'm thinking about it, guys. I might do that. That'd be nice. So I'm going to go on my Shopify store. I'm gonna print out a map of the United States, and I'm gonna go on my Shopify store, and I'm going to do a video with me shading in all the areas that I've received orders from. I need to print my packet stickers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, these days it's like I don't have time. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't have time for nothing. It's so hard. Ooh, that paper thickness. That paper thickness though. Let me grab stickers. Okay, Kelly, your order is going to be on the way. So it all depends on like what part of the United States my customers are. They get their orders. Sometimes it's 2 business days, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4, 5. It all depends on where exactly the person is. Majority of the time it's like 2 to 3 business days. Next order we have Diana, and this is Diana's first order as well, and she ordered herself the rainbow binder. Thank you, girl. So I did say that I was going to tell you guys all the things that I used to start my small business, right? But with all the chit-chatting and talking, I forgot. So let's get back to that. When I started selling these budgeting supplies, I started, let's say, around probably April, May, I would say. It wasn't even that long. I had this printer that I had bought at my college. It's like $100 printer. I think it was like 120 or something like that for the printer. And that's how I started my store, with a $100 printer. So I had the printer. It was sitting here the whole time. I literally was just using it to print like simple little school stuff. And I was printing the stuff for my cash stuffing, you know, my stuff. And then I realized, I started to post it, and I realized that a lot of people liked it. I never planned to sell anything, to be honest. My plan was just start a YouTube channel and work on my budgeting, work on my finances. Next thing I know, everyone started to say how they like this, they like that. Can they buy this? Can they buy that? So at that time, I was like, maybe I should sell these things. And that's when I started to print these items on my little $100 printer that I bought at my college. Just bought myself some laminating sheets and just started to laminate orders, started to make orders, started to sell them on Etsy. So really and truly, what you really need to start like your own little budgeting store, of course, I would recommend you register your business with with your state. That's really always a good step. I mean, I do recommend you do that. That is in the bag is an LLC. So I did register it as an LLC. I mean, some people do run their stores as sole proprietors. I don't even know if I'm saying, I always have problems with that word. But a lot of people do like sole proprietor. And you know, sole proprietor, you're not really protected, you know, of anything. You're solely responsible for every single thing that happens with the business, versus an LLC, you know, it's like a whole separate thing from your personal stuff. So I do recommend, you know, getting an LLC first. I got mine at sunbiz.org. I think it was like $120 something to get an LLC, and then you can sign up for your EIN on irs.gov. It's free. Don't pay nobody to do no EIN for you. Sign up for your EIN, irs.gov. It's totally free, $0. I did all that, and then what you could do is you could start a Shopify store. I recommend Shopify 100%, 110%, because for Etsy, I don't know, I feel like all the little listing fees and then the shipping labels, Shopify is cheaper than Etsy, and you know, it's just little stuff, and you don't have a lot of customization where you can customize, you know, your shop, like the look of your shop. It's not much that you could do for that. And Shopify also have Shopify Balance, where you know, they give you a card, you get payouts, instant payouts. So as soon as somebody place an order, in the next couple of seconds or whatever, you could get your money. You know, it's a lot of benefits that Shopify has that Etsy doesn't have. Etsy, I think it does take, I'm not sure how long it takes, but I know it's not like, oh, somebody just placed an order, I can get my money today right now. I know Etsy is not like that, but I'm not sure 100% how long it takes on Etsy. My overall choice will be Shopify. Just do it. If you're gonna do it, just do it good and just get it done. Shopify also have like Shopify Capital, so if you need help, you know, funding your business or whatever, it's a lot of benefits with Shopify. So I recommend Shopify. Canva will be your best friend. Canva is my best friend. Canva is my best friend and all of that. I use me some Canva and do my design my saving challenges, and then I print them out on my little printer, laminate it with a laminator, and you know, cut them out, and it was ready to go. So starting a business, it's not that hard. Of course, you're gonna need a little funds because you're gonna need some stuff. Anyone who wants a business, I am always a yes man to someone who wants to start a business, because it's a really great idea to start your own business. I'm always down for anyone who wants to start their own business. The next order is from Doreen, and this is Doreen's third order with me. Such a supporter. Thank you so much, Doreen girl. It's your order, baby. You got the 4-piece tracker bundle. You made a very good choice getting the 4-piece tracker bundle, Doreen. I saw your message, girl. You had texted me or my not texted me, you had commented on my short asking about the expense tracker. So you did buy it, huh? So you did buy it, Doreen. Look at you. I saw your message this morning, and little after I saw Doreen's message, Doreen's order came in. Doreen don't play, okay? Yeah, but like I said, I'm always down for someone who wants to start their own business. Always down. I mean, it's a great idea. If you can get your business to be a successful one, oh my God, kudos to you. Kudos to you. It takes a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication, but you could do it. You could do it. I could do it. Everybody could do it. As long as you put your mind to it, every single person could do it. So last but not least, we are of course sending out our giveaway package for our 2 giveaway winners, Shania and Norma. Congratulations again, guys. Your packages are coming. This is Norma's package and this is Shania's package. So I'm going to go ahead and put labels on the packages now. So my boyfriend always take the packages to the post office for me. Such a nice guy. Right, baby? He said, yeah. They're cutting the yard outside. So it's a whole lot of noise. Trying to wait for them to finish. People are outside cutting the grass and making so much noise in the video. I didn't even get to finish speaking with y'all. So I had to speed up that part and make it quiet because of all the noise. But this is it. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. Thank you guys for placing orders on my website. Thanks for the ongoing support. And I will see y'all in the next video.